Hello, my name is Abhijeet. So in this course of Basics of Kali Linux, I learn how to install Kali Linux and explore its core features. So in this video, I will guide you through the installation process of Kali Linux that I learned during the course. So first download VirtualBox from any browser on your PC or laptop. Then install the Kali Linux from the website kali.org and choose the latest version. Once VirtualBox and Kali Linux ISO are downloaded, double-click on the VirtualBox and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Finish the setup, and as you can see, this is the user interface of the VirtualBox. Now we will create virtual machine for Kali. To do so, click on the New button. Name the folder and choose the location where all the VM files stored. Click on the Next button. Here, allocate RAM and CPU cores for Kali Linux virtual machine and click on the Next. This will be summary of the virtual machine. Now finish the setup. We have done creating Kali Linux virtual machine. Click on the settings. Now select the storage from the sidebar. Under the IDE controller, click on the empty. Click on the DVD icon and choose the disk file. Go ahead and import the Kali Linux ISO and then select network. Choose the bridge adapter and click OK. Now start the virtual machine. Choose the graphic install and press enter key to put into Kali. Create a user account and password. Choose the entire disk. Click on the GNOME desktop and continue. The desktop installation will take 15 to 20 minutes. Select the virtual drive and continue. Once the installation will complete, click on the continue to reboot. Now you can see the login screen. Click on the username and enter the password. Go view and select the full screen mode to maximize the screen. And this is how you install the VirtualBox. Thank you. Hello. So in this next course, I will be sharing what I have learned in my recent course on Linux basics. So the course covered a wide range of essential Linux concepts and commands, from installing Linux to navigating the terminal and working with users and files permissions. I will walk you through some of the key topics that helped me gain a solid foundation in Linux. Getting started with Linux. First, we started with the basics of Linux, understanding its history and exploring its key features. I learned how to set up Ubuntu, one of the most popular Linux distributions, and begin familiarizing myself with its graphical user interface. This helped me get comfortable with navigating the system. Learning Linux commands. We then moved on to learning essential Linux commands. I learned how to navigate directories, move files, and use the terminal efficiently. For example, I became proficient in using commands like mv, cp, and rm to move, copy, and delete files. I also explored concepts like absolute and relative paths, which are crucial for managing files in Linux. Customizing the terminal. One of the most exciting aspects was learning how to customize the terminal interface. I explored ways to change the terminal's appearance, adjust its settings, and make my workflow more efficient. For instance, I learned how to use tab completion to navigate faster. Understanding file permissions. Another key topic was Linux file permissions. I learned how to manage access to files and directories using commands like chmod and chows. These are crucial for ensuring the security of files, especially in multi-user systems. Working with processes. The course also covered managing processes. I learned how to view running processes using commands like ps and tob, and how to kill processes that are not responding with the kill command. These skills are vital for troubleshooting system performance. Package management with APT. Furthermore, I learned how to use the APT package manager to install, update, and remove software in Linux. This is a powerful tool for managing software in Ubuntu and other database-based systems. Advanced concepts. We also touch on some advanced topics like piping, redirection, and using tmux to manage multiple terminal sessions. These concepts help improve productivity and streamline complex tasks. In conclusion, this course provided me with a comprehensive understanding of Linux basics. I am now comfortable using the terminal, managing files and users, customizing my environment, and handling processes. These skills are essential for anyone looking to work with Linux, and I am excited to continue building on this foundation. Thank you.